So for those that are just joining us, so if you, so for those that are just joining us, if you need any inquiry or any support, all you have to do is just go to our ZKTeco-wa.com. Then when you log on to our website, you see Dave from ZKTeco. So it will pop up. Then you can ask Dave any question. So once you click on any question you want to ask, once you input any question you want to ask, so you can, it is going to prompt you to enter your name, your email address, your phone number. So, and this is very important. If you want to ask a question based on, like, if you want to make inquiries on products, you want to ask for price and any other thing, so you can just click on this inquiry, then continue. Then our customer support representatives, they are going to take it up and chat you in real time. So if you need any technical support as connecting device, or you have any problem with your device that needs to be fixed, so you can just come to click on this technical support, input your name, your email address, and your phone number, then you continue. Then we are going to take the chat up real time. So you have to know how to make use of our ZKTeco website. So because everything you want is here: support, solutions, products, anything you want is on our ZKTeco website. So let's continue. So talking about ZKTeco, Biotime Cloud. So it gives you this simplicity. So it is a smart cloud-based management attendance platform. So it gives you simplicity, cloud reduction, because your infrastructure is being managed on the cloud and not on your server, or you don't have to do any installation, especially to all our installers. So if you're an installer here, so kindly note this beautiful management platform we are introducing to you, so you can get used to installing products, because our cloud-based platform is being hosted by AWS, Amazon Web Server. So their data center is located in Highland. So you don't have to manage your infrastructure. You don't have to manage the ZK Biotime infrastructure. We do the back end, everything, and we ensure that all your data are in order and in place. So we all know AWS, Amazon, very popular organization. So you can be assured that any of your data is safe. So we are putting out these opportunities because we don't want the stress of our support people. We don't want you as a technical person to go through that stress of installing on servers, doing all that. Although you can choose to install software on your server, you can go with our Biotime Hate. But to reduce all those stress and effectiveness, so to reduce all those stress and give you effectiveness and simplicity, so we are introducing you to our ZK Biotime Cloud. So I take my training in real time. Last week I talked about the devices that can be supported to with our ZK Biotime Cloud. I said all the push communication devices. So any device you have, any ZKTeco device you have that can be connected to the internet, will work with our ZK Biotime Cloud. Any device you have that supports internet connectivity, we work with our ZK Biotime Cloud. So any ZK push communication device. So I'm going to be taking you through on how to add devices. So mind me saying, you can, for those that are not present last week, 2 weeks ago, in our last training, I've talked about how Biotime Cloud can be used efficiently to manage all employee data all over the world. So you can have multiple administration administrators access the Biotime cloud, and you can have your device placed anywhere in the world. So you can access Biotime cloud from anywhere in the world, and you can manage Biotime cloud from anywhere in the world. And you can also make interconnections of all these devices from anywhere in the world. So you don't have to like uh, find a way to set up a server and start issuing IP. You don't have to do all that. All you have to do is get our ZK products, push communication devices. Then any location you want to use them at, just place them there. And I'm going to be teaching you on how you can add those devices to our ZK Biotime. So So the first thing you do is on your ZK device. So for our technical people, you go to you access the menu. I'm sure we are all familiar to this interface. Although this interface is quite different from our visible lights devices interface, but they still follow the same protocol. So you go to comms, from comms you go to cloud server settings. So if your device doesn't come with cloud server settings, you can do well to reach out to us. So like I said earlier, you just have to visit ZKTeco-wa.com. Then you see a chat pop up, chat with Dave. Then you input your issues. For those that are just joining us, I would like to show you that again. So you go to our ZKTeco website. So you see our chat with Dave pop up. So you input whatever message you want to input. Yeah, if you want a device upgrade, ADMS upgrade, your device is not connecting, any issue, or you want to ask for price, products related, or solutions related. So just go to our website, chat with Dave. Then you get a pop-up, enter your name, your email address, your phone number, then the department. So if the question you want to ask is a technical support question, you just click on the technical, then you continue. Then you are going to get a response in less than 1 minute. You get a response. So it is a real-time chat. You get a real-time chat with our customer support people. And also, if what you want to ask is related to inquiries, probably you want to ask about the price of products, you want to ask about being a partner and all that, you can just make inquiries here. So just click on inquiries, very easy. So now going back to about time. So for our technical people in this training, and even if you're not technical, you don't have to be. So that's one of the major advantages that ZK Biotime Cloud offers. You don't have to be really, you don't have to be a tech savvy to be able to configure your device. So it is very easy. So you go to comms. From comms, you see cloud server settings. If your device doesn't come with cloud server settings, you do well to go to our website, then request for an upgrade on our website, like I showed you. So you're going to get a real-time support. You request for an upgrade, you're going to be given a patch to upgrade your device. Then once you do that, you are going to get this cloud server settings module. So from the cloud server settings, you just need to go to you click on this class server setting, then this pops up. So in the last class, I taught you guys on how to create a company on Biotime. So for those that are just joining me, so I'm going to just give you a brief on how you can create a company. It is very easy and very straightforward. And videos are going to be made on these, and you're going to see them on our ZKTeco YouTube. So, but for now, let me just give you a brief overview on what you're going to see. So the first thing you do is go to our ZKTeco website. So in our ZKTeco website, you see this panel, then you see Biotime.ng. You see Biotime.ng, just click on Biotime.ng. So it takes you to our Biotime.ng it takes you to our Biotime.ng web page. So you can get all the informations you need on our Biotime.ng. So the frequently asked questions, the app, Biotime.ng app. I'm still going to talk on that. I'm going to make a one-time training on how you can effectively make use of our ZK Biotime mobile app. So then from here, so you can also make requests from here. So your company name, contact name, so mode of authentication, do you want to monitor attendance? So you can make a request here and send it to us. We are going to get it and give you a feedback. So our Biotime website interface is very simple, and you get everything you need on Biotime.ng. So to log on to our Biotime, all you just need to do is go to Biotime.ng. So when you go to Biotime.ng, so you see this pop up, hello, sign into your account, Biotime Cloud. So always be careful to ensure that what you are inputting is Biotime.ng. So if you are yet to create a company, I would implore you to do so now. So create a company now, just go to Biotime.ng, then click on sign up. So it is going to request for your company's email. So if you are creating because that this company you are going to be creating, this URL is what you are going to use, is what you are going to use to it is what is going to act as a server address to ensure the connection between your ZK Biotime device, your ZK device and your Biotime cloud. So you input your email address, your phone number, then password. So once you do that, you click on sign up. So once you sign up, you get an email from Minerva IoT. So you get an instant email from Minerva IoT on the so when you click on your email, then they send you a link. So that link is what you are going to use to create your company. So once you create a company, that company is going to act as your URL. So for example, so I've already created a company, yeah, using one of my colleagues' email. So my company name is ZKTest.Biotime. So what you just need to put is the name of the company you created. So you are going to click
Hello?
on verify company. So once you click on verify, so you input your password, then you log in. So it is very simple and very easy. So once you are in, so for those of you that are familiar with our product, you would see that this is very similar to Biotime. So the little steps I just took there shows you how easy and effective Biotime Cloud is. So you know when you are, well, if it is a software you are installing, you have to install, wait, download, wait for installation, follow some installation process. Your PC might not be compatible, your laptop, your server might not be you might be facing so much difficulty, but this is one of the simplicity that we are addressing. So simple and effective. So as you can see, this is the ZK Biotime Cloud interface, and this is my company's URL. So if you create your own company, this URL is what you are going to be seeing your own company dot Biotime.ng. Yeah, so it is going to act as a URL. So you see, so effective. It is just like you having a website in like two simple steps. So this is the management platform. So as you can see, the easy to navigate and easy to set up. So let me take you to the device section. So it is just, if you are familiar with our Biotime 8, you see that it is very much more like the same steps. I'm going to show you how easy ZK Biotime Cloud is again. So as you can see, I have a device set up already. So I've set up a device, but I'm still going to teach you on how you can do this. So So to add your device, you just have to, or for those that are just joining us, let me go back. So all you have to do is your main menu. I'm sure we are all familiar with this interface, although our visible light devices comes with much more with an interface that is different from this particular interface, but they still follow the same protocol. So all you have to do is go to comms, then from comms, and ensure that your device is connected to the internet. So ensure that your device is connected to the internet. So if your device is not connected to internet, you won't be able to establish the communication between your device and Biotime Cloud. So ensure that your device is connected to internet. So go to comms, then from comms, cloud server settings, then from cloud server settings, if you don't have cloud server settings on your device, do well to go to zkteco-wa.com. Then, like I said, chat with Dave. Your information, technical request for ADMS upgrade. So we send you the patch. You upgrade your device. Then you are going to see this cloud server setting part come up after you upgrade your device. So, but mostly your device will come with a cloud server settings. So once you do that, you go to on our cloud server setting module. So I want to show you how simple and easy this is. So once you click on the cloud server settings, you are going to see server mode, ADMS, enable domain name. You are going to make sure that this enable domain name is most time off, but you have to like put it on. You know, when you are trying to set up your Biotime, so the enable domain name is always off because you are going to be using an IP address. But now you are setting up Biotime Cloud and not Biotime. So all you just need is your domain name. And let me just give you a tip. The IP address you are also using Ultimate is also serving as a domain name, but just in of an IP address. So every ZKTeco about time, every URL here is being assigned a particular IP address, but you don't need to go through the stress of setting IP address, setting up port numbers and all that. You don't need to go through all those stress. So all you just have to do is enable domain name, then input that URL. Uh, you can see my URL. Let me show you. My Biotime Cloud, you can see my URL, zks.biotime.ng. So this URL is what you are going to put in this server address section. So this URL is what you are going to input in this server address section. HTTPS column // zktest.biotime.ng. So this ZK test is the company I personally created. So the company you created, it can be Sheun Global, it can be Alani.biotime, it can be anything. It can be Greenway, it can be total.biotime.ng, chevron.biotime.ng, it can be anything. So you just input this URL. That is all. So once you do that, you go back to your your device section in your zkbiotime.ng on your zkbiotime.ng interface. So once you do that, you refresh. So once you refresh, you get. So I've actually added my device here, but let me show you what you get, and I'll show you why setting up an area is also very important. So by default, your device is going to add automatically. So you don't need to manually add your device. No, don't manually add your device. Your device is going to be added automatically, and this yellow status is what you are going to see when you add your device automatically. So the yellow status is what you are going to see. So once you see this, the next thing you do is you don't have to panic once you see this yellow stick, because I know our technical guys that have installed ZK Biotime.ng, they get something like this and they are always reaching out to us. So it is very easy. Once you see this yellow status, all you have to do is create a new area. So it is telling you that this device, what the system is basically telling you is that, okay, this device is added, but I don't know the area you're setting for this device. So that's what the smart cloud, by smart base, it is a smart base management platform. So what it is basically telling you that this area is not authorized, so I can't allow this device, but this device is communicating with me. So that's basically what the Biotime Cloud is telling you. So all you have to do is just go to personnel, then area. Then as you can see, I've created so many area here. Then create area. So if the device you want to add is in Akure, add area, area name Akure. If the device you want to add is in Osogbo, add area, area name Osogbo. So once you do that, so now I added accounts. So I just assumed that my device is in account just for test. But basically what this area is just telling you is just to like give just for posterity that, okay, this device is associated with this particular area. So once you do that, so you just go back to this, everything would be automatically added. Then on your area, you just click on accounts, you change your area. So me, I'm changing my area to accounts. If the area you created is Oshun Osogbo, you put Oshun Osogbo. Then so most times this registration device and attendance device, they are always registration devices. Sometimes you meet registration device will be yes and attendance device will be no, and sometimes attendance device will be yes and registration device will be no. So all you have to do is just make sure that they are both yes. Then your time zone. So if you are not in Nigeria, just set your time zone according to the time zone settings associated with any country, any West African country you're in. So ours is GMT plus one, so that's why I use GMT plus one. So you see, you don't have to do any settings or anything. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to. You are not coding anything. You are not doing anything. So once you do that, you see that the device is online. So the next thing you do is just data transfer and sync the device. So once you sync the data to device, so this is going to sometimes, most times, by the time you create the area, it will automatically sync itself, and so sometimes it doesn't. So all you just have to do, probably, no, normally once you add the device and it is online, it will automatically sync. But there are sometimes where you just input some user details on your device, and you just want to immediately make sure that, oh, this thing gets sync immediately. So you sync data to device. So you can just, it does that automatically though. It does that automatically, but you can also do it manually, sync data to device, then choose employee, fingerprint, face, then you sync your data. So once you do that, I only have 2 users on the device I'm using for test. So you can add so many devices. You can add a lot of devices to your ZK Biotime. You can add as much as devices as you want, but it depends on your subscription. So our Biotime.ng is basically free for 1 year. So for now, it is free for 1 year. Then after that, so you have to subscribe. So as you can see, this is our subscription package. So the free trial. So this free trial is free for 1 year. Supports 3 devices, 50 employee, 50 WhatsApp push, then 100,000 transactions for mobile app, 50 mobile applications. So this is our plan. So this free trial is free for 1 year. So if you have an organization that wants to like increase the number of devices, you can do well to reach out to our contact your dealer to extend the license. So you reach out to our sales personnel. So you can, just like I showed you, go to ZKTeco West Africa, zkteco-wa.com, then chat with Dave. You can do all that. It is very easy and very effective. So if you wish, so I can just leave this here for a few minutes so you can see the standard supports 200 employees, 5 devices, 200 WhatsApp push, 500,000 transaction. So the premium, 500 employees, 20 devices, 5,000 WhatsApp push. So you can see all that. So you can also customization if you want customization for your management platform. You can do all those. So I'll be open to questions. Now we are, I think we're running out of time, and there's still so much I'll have to show you. So I think I'll take questions now. Okay, people are asking how can we get this video? Yeah, the training is being recorded and you are going to see it on our YouTube channel. So you are going to see this on our YouTube channel. So visit our YouTube channel. You can see the link. So you are going to see this video on our YouTube channel. So if you have any other questions, just do well to chat us. Yeah. So as you can see, it is, if you are familiar with our products, you should be seeing the beauty of our ZK Biotime Cloud. Now, if you are familiar with our product, you should be seeing the beauty, because it just eliminates stress, and you can be assured that your data are safe. I mean, it is hosted by Amazon Web Service and AWS, and we all know AWS, Amazon, a company owned by one of the richest man, arguably the richest man in the world. So you can be assured that your data are safe. So our ZK Biotime.ng is ISO 27001 certified. So what that is telling you that we have our security infrastructures around data and personnel informations are secured. So you can be rest assured that no hacking whatsoever and all that. And if you are experiencing any issue with your interface, just do well to reach out to us on ZKTeco West Africa, and you are good. Guys saying, is the free version going to be for 1 year or for life? It is for 1 year. So the free version is for 1 year. So, but depending on the number of users. So let me click on the subscription if you are just seeing this. So you can see free trial, 50 supports 50 employees. So you can add more than 50 employees, 3 devices, WhatsApp push, then the number of transactions. So this is what our free trial gives you. So if you wish to upgrade, then you can now upgrade, and this is the price, 20,000 per month for standard. For premium, 41,000 per month. Enterprise, 70,000 per month. So you can see all this, and so you can see it is just similar to our Biotime 8. So you can do your shift settings. I know most people don't really know how to. I always having problem with creating shifts on Biotime. It is not a rocket science. So I just created one now. So I can let me add. So you can create shifts. So let's say our shift name is is early bed, or let me just give it. So set your shift, confirm. Sorry. So come in. Timetable. So to set your shifts, you need a timetable first. Sorry, and you have to add a timetable. So you just go to shifts, timetable, then you create a timetable. So you can see the check-in, check-out, check-in starts, check-out starts, check-in end, check-out end. So you can give your timetable like any name. So you can set your check-in to your employee check-in to be 8. So if you want your employees to be checking it, we have some employees that come very early. So you can set your check-in to be at 5 a.m. Then your checkout to be as we have some employees that they don't want to go home. They work late hours. So you can set your checkout to uh you can set your checkout to 6. So then you can your checkout starts. So you can set it to, okay, the business is closing by 4, so you can set your checkout start to 4, which is 16:00. So you can set your check-in start to 5, so for the early birds. So you can do all these. So you can create your you can add a timetable. So let's say early bird. So now I've created a timetable for my shift. So as you can see, I just created these admin shifts, and I've added all these. So if I want to create another shift, all I just need to do is give the shift a name. Let's say uh, shift office 2. So I can give it office 2. Then you can, and this part is so interesting in such a way that, so you can set that, okay, on, some organizations, they have flexible shifts. So you can do different timetable for your shift. Then you can add them to the days of the week. Let's say, okay, on Monday, I want my shift setting to be on, my timetable for my shift should to be on early bird on Monday. Then on Tuesday, okay, I want the general timetable. On Wednesday, I want the office timetable. So you can set your to ensure flexibility. So you can set your timetable to any time you want. So you see, like the early bird, I set the one I just created to 5, then check out 6. So you can do that. And okay, Monday we want on Monday we want people to be checking in by 5. Then we want them to check out by 6. On Tuesday, we want people to be checking in by 9. Then we want them to check out by 6. So you confirm that your shift is created. So, and let's go to schedule. So with the schedule, you can add these shifts by department. You can add them by employee. So basically what I'm saying is, so when you, for the department schedule, I'm in the department schedule module. So when you add department, so I have created the department. So the first thing you need to do is you create a department. So you are going to see departments here. I just created engineering department. I can even add it to create department. It is very easy. You can create, let's say, logistic. So logistic department. So every department has its own ID. So for the logistic department, so you can see that. And once you do that, go to the attendance module. You can, when you are adding personnel. So let me let me, when you're adding personnel, every personnel have their own specific department. So let's say I created this BOT. So and one thing is, you can create employees on your device, then sync them to the ZK Biotime our ZK Biotime.ng. You can to your ZK Biotime.ng. You can do that, but there's always one thing it is always asking. So some important parameters, and those are position, mobile, and email of the personnel. So this mobile number and email, they are very important because it is the email your this mobile, this number is what the ZK about time cloud is going to register. So that is what your employee is going to use to be able to enable communication with this management platform from their handheld device, from their phones, from their mobile phones. So they are very important. So you just have to ensure that you put the mobile number, the email. So the reason why this pop up, the reason why this one I'm having this without all those without the mobile number and the email is because I already created these users. I already created them on the device. Then so once I added the device to the management platform, the user data pop up. So, but when you're creating the employees on the management platform, you have to make sure that their phone numbers and their email is present. So once you do that, you're good. So going to our attendance, so you can create schedules, department schedules. So add this particular department. So add them to this particular shift. So okay, let's say the engineering team, they go out a lot, and okay, we want to set their shift to office 2. They go out, then they come back late. So you can give them a different shift name from what you'll be giving logistics. So you can give the engineering team, we can set shifts for each department. For the engineering team, you can set shifts. So you can see the shift name here. For the logistic department, you can set shifts. So I can give them admin. So admin is just the shift name, not a parameter or anything. It's just a shift name. So this is, you can set shift. You can schedule shifts by department, and you can also do employee schedule. So by employee, so from here you can see the two lists of the employee. So you can add schedule. So I want this particular employee to be on this shift. Probably this employee is a logistic guy, one of our logistic personnel that doesn't come when it is time. Okay, this personnel has to deliver these particular products around 7 o'clock in the morning, and the normal clocking time is 8 o'clock. So let us just give him, let us set a shift for him at this so hours. So when it comes to the office very early by 6, he can be able to clock in. Then when it comes late, he can be able to clock out. So you get that concept. So that's basically what employee shift is about. And temporary schedule. So temporary schedule, you can also do temporary scheduling of shifts, and you can also view your schedules. So as you can see, these are the parameters. So all those are very easy and simple. So you can generate reports, transaction, scheduling report, daily report, monthly report, summary report, special reports. So you can do all these. And for outdoor management, so in my last training, I explained that you can have companies with marketers, with people that go out a lot. Probably they are going to a particular client side. So you can, if the client is a partner to your organization. You can set a schedule so that when your employee gets there, they can be able to punch from their phone within the perimeter of the organization. So this is the client details. So once all these are created, so you don't have to worry. I'm still going to create a in-depth video on this on our YouTube. You'll find them on our YouTube page, and this meeting is also being recorded. So you are going to see this on our YouTube page too. So you don't have to be scared that you are missing anything. So let me check the chat again. So okay. So all these can be possible. So you can run a schedule planner. So you can run a schedule planner. So the company name is the company that you've created. So you can do all these. So I'm still going to make videos on all these. So if you have any questions, please ask, keep asking in the chat. So we are going to engage you and support you. So someone is saying my device is MB460. Is it compatible? Yes. So like I said in the last training, any push communication device is compatible. So any push communication is compatible. So once your device, you just have to ensure that your device is connected to the internet. So that's just it. Just make sure that your device is connected to the internet. So once your device is connected to the internet, ZK device, ZK products, not any other products. So ZK products, ensure that they are connected to the internet. Then yeah, you are good to go. You are good to go. I know one day you are good to go. You are good to go. So someone is saying, I cannot manage employee movement during work hour. Yes, like these are the functionalities that you get. So when your employee, now let us assume your employee has downloaded the ZK Biotime app. So they have the ZK Biotime app on their phone. So there's this feature called geotagging and geofencing. So you can geotag your employee. So as long as their phone is connected to the GPR to the internet, so you can monitor your employee. So you can state specific time, and you can also set that where they are going, they have to make sure that they clock in at so radius. Okay, let's say your employee is going to somewhere in Ikeja. So the Oshodi terminal, Bolade Oshodi, I know we are all familiar with, and if you are not in Lagos, so I'm just using that as an example. So Bolade Oshodi is very close to Ikeja. So you can set the radius that, okay, when your employee gets to this particular radius, he or she has to punch in. And if they don't, it shows that they are not there at all. They are not where they're meant to be at all. So you can it enables this form of geo-tracking and geotagging. So I hope that answers your question. Someone is saying F18 I saw something. Please, this is a ZKBiotime.ng section, and if you want at the start of this training, I said if you need any support whatsoever, technical or sales support whatsoever, all you just have to do is go to our ZKTeco WA page, ZKTeco West Africa page. So it is this is the URL for many of us don't know. ZKTeco.com is different from ZKTeco West Africa. So ZKTeco West Africa is a subsidiary under ZKTeco.com. So if you need any information and you want fast response, you just have to visit our website, ZKTeco-wa.com. So once you go to our website, so you get a pop-up once you go to our website. Oh, sorry. So once you go to our website, you get a pop-up, chat with Dave. Then you can reach out to our support personnel. You can also check if sorry. So as you can see, chat with Dave. So you input anything. Okay, my F18 is having issues. Click enter. Once you do that, you are going to be required to enter your name, your email address, your phone number, then department. So F18 is having issue, is a technical issue, is a technical issue that needs technical support. So you just click on the technical support, then you continue. In less than 1 minute, our customer care, our technical personnel, they are going to respond to you immediately in less than 1 minute. So if what you want to ask is how can I get a particular product, how much, all you just need to do is come over to our ZKTeco West Africa page, and you are going to see a chat with Dave pop up. Then you are good to go. So, and also, if you want to, because a lot of supports that are not related to our products, although they are ZKTeco products. But I want you to know that some products are specifically for, this is chat with Dave, so it is here, you get the pop-up, you input your message, very easy. You can, if you for the person asking this question, so just go to the person asking the F18 question. All you just have to do, you can just do that right now, so someone is going to attend to you immediately and your issue is going to be resolved. So you can just do that right now. So like I was saying, some of our products are not like ZKTeco products. Some ZKTeco products are not compatible for some regions. So some people, they go to the black market, they get some products that are not compatible for our regions. And once they do that, they have issues because most of these, let me, I have to even put something straight. Biotime, ZK Biotime, the software, ZK Biotime 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4 is different from ZK Biotime 8.0.2, 8.0.4, 8.0.5. So if you want to do any Biotime installation and you want to download any software, any Biotime software, you have to ensure that that software you are downloading is particular to our product. So anything 8.0 dot anything is particular to our region. So don't go and download Biotime 8.5 and think you've downloaded for our region. 8.5 is for those in the middle belt area. So, but 8.0.5 is for our region, 8.0.5. So I hope you clear. And if you want to, if you get a product probably on Jumia from anybody selling any of our counterfeit products, so you can just, if you want to check, just come to ZKTeco-w.com. Everything you want, I'm telling you, everything you want is on this ZKTeco West Africa website. So you just have to just go to this website, anti-counterfeit inquiry. You go to support, anti-counterfeit inquiry. So if you need any technical question, I'll say that again, just come to Dave. Chat with Dave is always here. So any support related to any technical thing, or you want to make inquiry on products, you just have to come here. So for that, you just go to support, anti-counterfeit inquiry. So you input the serial number. Once you do that, once you input the serial number, you search. So if it is not related to our product, this is what you get. So you see, this is what you get. I want to get. Let me show you what's our product. Let me put the serial number. CGXH 22106 0021. 216 002. So take a look at this. CGXH. So if you want to check for all these things, all you just have to do is come to this, or you can also go to our website. If there are some particular products that you are going to impute here and they won't bring it out, but you can check our the main ZKTeco website at zkteco.com. So you go to zkteco.com. That's if you want to, not if you want to make inquiry, if you want to check for anti-counterfeit products. So like if you've just gotten a product from probably Jumia, or someone just randomly you just paid for one of our ZKTeco product and you think, oh, this product is and you want to confirm the genuinity of this product. So all you just have to do is come to our ZKTeco, go to the ZKTeco main website. You can also use our website, but if you see that because there are some to just to for because ZKTeco.com, they have a larger database of products, and every data is containerized for each particular region. So that's why we employ you to go to ZKTeco.com. So once you're in ZKTeco.com, go to support. So once you go to support, you go to after service sales. After service sales, once you go to after service sales, it takes you to this page. Then they've just some people are familiar with this website, but they still have trouble because they just upgraded their website. So sometimes you get into trouble locating where to check for anti-counterfeit inquiry. So on this page, after sales service, you see anti-counterfeiting inquiry. So you just click on this, then it takes you to a page. So this any serial number you input here is going to check through into their large database, into their containerized database, and check what region, what particular product is. So you can do that right now. If you have a product that you want to check right now, you can. Once you see this, just know that the device is fake. So it is fake, made in a bad device. You understand? So if it is our product, you are going to get. So sometimes it will be for our product and it will be for our region. So we at ZKTeco West Africa, we don't support uh, devices that are not from our region. So, but once you reach out to us, we can direct you to where you can direct you to the technical guy in that region. So if you are not in West Africa, but I'm sure most of us that are in this Zoom training, we are from the West African region. So once you click this, see, I just input this serial number. So this device with me here, this device I'm using for the Biotime training. So as you can see the date, you can see the area, exclusive area, Nigeria. So you can see it, as you can see. So you can try that. You can try that. If you still don't get how to go about this, just go to ZKTeco. Sorry, ZKTeco.com. Go to zkteco.com, support after sales service. Very easy. Click on after sales service, navigate down below, locate anti-counterfeiting inquiry products. Click on anti-counterfeiting inquiry products, then input your device serial number, then okay, you are good to go. So we also have videos about this on YouTube, on our YouTube page that you can see. So you can see our YouTube page in the chat. So someone is saying I'm able to generate report form. So like I explained, Mr. Asfani Abdul Rafiu. So you can just uh, go to the chat with Dave. Chat with Dave. We are going to engage you. Yes, in summary, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Someone is saying in summary, our clients don't need public address and server to view the attendance. Attendance. Yes, yes, yes. You just have to create the company name, the URL that is pertaining to your client. So if the client you are installing for is is total. So you know their URL is going to be total at Biotime.ng. So if it is another client from another distance, so what they will be having is a URL. So you as an installer is just like you just like in simple step develop the website, a management website, which is our Biotime.ng management smart cloud based attendant management system for them. So we don't need all that. So someone is saying, which device can you recommend for both accessing and out? Like I said, just visit our ZKTeco-wa.com, not ZKTeco.com, our ZKTeco-wa.com. You can see it here. So just visit our ZKTeco. And if you want any other, information on Biotime.ng, you can see it on our website. So you can see that on our website. So someone is saying, please, how can I get this tutorial on YouTube? So this meeting is being recorded, and once this is done, it is going to be uploaded on YouTube. And don't worry, just go to our YouTube page, ZKTeco-wa, subscribe, and once you subscribe, you are going to be getting tons of videos. I personally am going to be making tons of videos and solutions that you can use. And if you want to reach out, you can just reach out to ZKTeco -wa and ask your questions. You can reach out to me. I'm always available. So for trainings and all that. So by next week, I'm going to do. I'm going to do. I'm going to organize a training again. So someone is saying, how do we go about employees that runs different shifts? Mr. Adebayo. So if you have employees that runs different shifts, like I said, you can just go to, you can select, you can add when you are scheduling, when you are doing your scheduling, you can do employee schedule. So such that you can enable different shifts for different employees. If you have 10 employees that are working on different shifts, you can enable 10, you can do 10 different shift settings for those employees. So don't worry if you don't get this enough. I'm going to make a video. You are going to get our videos. Just visit our YouTube page and you are good to go. So thank you very much, everyone. This is 12 o'clock. There are other training that we are going to handle. We are both in this together, and we are going to gain a lot because there are so many products and solutions that you are going to get. So you are going to learn a lot. You're going to achieve a lot with my training. If you are a technical person, so just get ready. There are so many things that we can achieve together to make Nigeria a better place in terms of biometric technology. Thank you very much, everyone. I see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye.